the Winter Baby Rosie Show.
No, it's the Baby Winter Rosie Show. I mean, wait, what?
Hi guys, we're gonna be opening this waterfall from my life. It comes with some birds and paddles to put in, and drinks, and some little bushes right there. And it's gonna work out good. So on the back of the box, I'm gonna show you what it is on the back. So this is what it is. You put water, and you put in double A batteries.
You're so cute. You put in 3 AA batteries. Just so everybody knows, they're gonna need what? 3 AA batteries.
Yeah.
All right. So let Daddy open it for you.
Yep. Okay, it's opened. Now we're gonna be.
Go ahead, pull.
Whoa, guys! It comes with some instructions.
Alright. And
Not
the
good
back of the box is tape. And
All taped.
1 string. Okay. Here we go. And the bottom of the box has these turn tie things.
And we got some lotus flowers and some orange juice or something. A lemonade.
So 3 lotus flowers, two drinks.
And 2 birds and 2 bushes. And
then,
this is the 1 pond. And it got a button.
Right.
And it has to get
button.
3 AA batteries.
All right. So
Right here.
so while I was opening the box, after I opened the box, I went and got a Phillips screwdriver,
Some batteries.
3 AA batteries,
And some water.
and a Tupperware thing of water. Warm water.
Yes.
Okay.
Daddy is gonna be unscrewing this. Okay, guys. Let's wait. Okay. Guys, we got into it. Okay, guys. Now. So I'm gonna get a little closer so we can see that. Okay, guys. Okay, straight up. Okay, guys.
Okay. Now the batteries are in.
Okay, my dad is gonna put the water in. Okay, guys. I'll hold it still, Daddy. Whoa. That's some. Okay. Put it like good so it doesn't like. Yeah, that's good. Okay.
Alright, now the water is in.
Okay, guys, it's time.
Alright, so now she's holding her drinks that came with the set,
the
right?
birds are-
Now, we turned it on already before we put the water in.
Yeah, because we're having a hard time, guys. So we're gonna walk. Okay, that's good. Try to fill it up where it can go. Yeah, there we go. That's
So
good.
let's see.
Okay, guys.
So it's already turned on.
So it should be doing something.
Alright,
I think we'll have to fill it up.
put the water in. Now we're waiting for something to happen.
Yeah, hopefully we don't. We don't know if it will work or not, guys. we got it working. So let's put in all these pedals.
Alright, put the pedals in now.
I'm gonna copy the picture there.
Alright, it's very nice. Look at that.
Wow, guys.
Oh my god! What I told you? What did I tell you about filming videos without me? You got a cool waterfall for her?
Yeah. You want a drink?
Oh my god, guys, you see they don't give me nothing. Oh, a drink for me?
Yeah. Okay, here you go.
That must have been soda because I'm going crazy. Oh, water fountain. Oh, weird in here. Water. Forget the little buddy. Little buddy, nothing. Get out of here. Is this a water fountain for baby Rosie to drink?
No.
I love it. Thank you. Oh, wow. All right, baby Rosie, go sit down. So, Win, what do you think about it? You like it?
Yeah, guys, I love it, Daddy. Guys, if you have this is a very awesome thing.
For your My Life doll?
Uh-huh. And for baby Rosie.
Oh, I was just going to say, you better say it's for me.
It is. That's good, too.
So the water comes out of here.
And then it starts pouring.
Right. Maybe we put more water, it'll come out of that side. Oh my god. Water everywhere. Water everywhere!
Guys, it's like a
so it seems to be pouring from one side. I think we can get it to go to the other side. So now we got it dripping from both sides. One thing I want to say as a parent that owns it, we had a lot of trouble with this. We put the batteries in, right? And we pressed the button and the button didn't work. So I kept pressing it and pressing it, holding it and holding it. I took the batteries out and now look, it just went off by itself. I didn't even press it when I did this. So now you have to wait for like a buzzing sound. And then we moved this a couple times over and it started working. We just moved this around, bent this back and forth.
Yeah.
It seemed to have a lot of problems. Whoa!
The birdie.
But it's really cool once it's working. And I would say as a parent too, this would be really nice for like an adult to even buy, to put like on their tabletop or something like that for guests to have like a tabletop water fountain. But still, it seems like it has a lot of problems.
Yeah.
Like it just would not turn on. And then you just had to keep, like I said, wiggling this and even once it just went off, we had to press the button again. So I would say, you know, it's cool. It's definitely cool, but
yeah.
But what? It kind of has some problems. So we want to warn everybody out there, right?
Yeah.
That the My Life water fountain, although it's cool and we like it,
guys,
it does have some problems. Like even look on here, the water's coming out here, 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 which it all comes out of here, and then it flows out of here. But look on here, it's only flowing from right here, coming out of here a lot, not coming off of here,
and not off of here.
Right. So we'll mess with it more, but that's our review, right? All right. Bye, guys. Bye, everybody.
Be sugar.
I'll be honest. The water fountain has problems. I know, we told them that already.
Deep. subscribe, and don't forget to smash that like button.